Hi everyone. As we are aware, SME IPOs offer a fantastic entry point into the world of IPO investing. In this video, we'll explore how to initiate your journey with SME IPOs on the FYERS platform.
In order to get started, let us first head over to FYERS.in on our browser. Head over to the top right, click here and scroll down till you notice IPO under investment. Now proceed by clicking on IPO. By scrolling down, the list of ongoing IPOs is visible to us. SME IPOs can be identified by the SME tag placed on the top right of the respective IPO. To view more details about the SME IPO, click on the IPO issue of your choice. All the relevant details about the organization will be mentioned here. In order to apply, please click on Apply. If you wish to increase your bid quantity before applying, please click on the plus button. The total amount required to place your bid will be displayed under Amount as displayed. Now, input your UPI ID, select the checkbox and click on Apply Now. Once completed, you can track the status of your application here.